One thing is for sure, when you live in Texas, you don't take air conditioning for granted. My capacitor went out in this Carrier, which sucks because it's a really, really good air conditioner. But Carrier went out of business in 2009. Somebody bought them out. They went out of business and sold it. Somebody bought them out, and they no longer make roof airs. Therefore, the parts are no longer available, and can't get the part we need for this one. So I have to bite the bullet and get a new air conditioner. He has a used one, but he has to get parts for it too, and there's only a 60-day guarantee, so may as well bite the bullet and get a new one. So they're going to come out tomorrow morning and install it. Oh well, I would just make do with my portable for the rest of the season, but it makes it too hot for the dogs. So, and my portable doesn't cool as well. So anyhow, yeah, that's my life right now. There's my new air conditioner. They're going to back up the trailer and hoist it to my roof that way. So, it'll be good to have AC again. Yikes. Oh. Yeah.
You know, like if a hurricane comes along. So.
There's my new AC. They're working on it, hooking it all up. And I went from a Carrier to a Coleman because Carrier isn't in business anymore, so they couldn't get the part for mine. So I'm hoping that it runs quiet. I've never had a Coleman before, so I don't know how they run. There goes my old Carrier. I liked all the bells and whistles on it.
Ponlo para atrás a la... Got it. Baja.
Oh, I bet it's heavy.
Okay. I got it.
My Carrier also had a center vent in the center portion of the casing where you could direct the air right down to the floor. And the back louvers, you could set them to rotate up and down on their own. I kind of missed that. Too bad Carrier stopped making them. It is a bummer. I know they'd be way more expensive than this one if they were still making them, but maybe if they were still making them I could have gotten the part. So, but we could not find the condenser, and I needed to get this done ASAP. So, there you go. It's still better than nothing, that's for sure. Okay, so here it is, my new air conditioner of a Coleman Mach 3. Not quite the same as my old one. I miss the bells and whistles of the old one. My Carrier, which was really good, but couldn't get parts for it anymore. But the Carrier had a vent louver that you could just close off completely, or just kind of position it where I wanted. This one's more difficult because it's open. No matter what way you position it, it's pretty open. To clean the vents, I have to unscrew these little black things, and then this little panel drops, and they have like those sponge foam filters that you can take out and clean. I miss the old pull-out filters, the plasticky kind that I could just pull out, vacuum off, and just slide back in. This one you have to disassemble. It's still workable. So, and I left it dirty just to show you the difference in the size. So, the Carrier came out to where the dirt marks are. And I also have one, of course that's easy to clean up, no big deal. And I also have one tiny little screw hole that I might spackle over just to hide it. So, hope you can hear this okay, because I've got it running on high. This is Texas after all. Heat index is in the hundreds today. So, having air conditioning at a full-time RV park in Texas, or even having air conditioning in Texas anywhere, is invaluable. So, especially if you have pets. They're my main concern, keeping them comfortable. Okay, so that's it for my air conditioning saga. Catch y'all later. Bye.